We'll guide you through how to sell on Gumroad for VRChat. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to Gumroad's website. If you don't have an account, you need to sign up using your email and create a password. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Here, click on the Products tab at the top. This is where you can manage all your items. To add a new VRChat product, click on the New Product button. Choose Digital Product since VRChat assets are digital. You'll then be prompted to enter a product name, like VRChat Avatar or whatever you're selling, and set the price. If you're offering something for free or on a pay-what-you-want basis, you can adjust that here too. Next, upload the files for your VRChat asset. This could be a .zip file containing your avatar or world files. Make sure everything is organized and labeled clearly so your customers can easily understand what they're getting. After uploading the files, you'll need to fill out the product description. This is a great place to provide details about your VRChat asset, like what makes it unique or any technical specifications. You can also add images or a video to showcase your product visually. Once you're happy with everything, click Save Changes. Finally, you'll want to set up your payment options. Go to the payout settings in your account settings and link your PayPal or bank account to receive payments. After setting up the payment, your product is ready to go live. Click the Publish button, and your VRChat asset is now available for sale. Share the product link with your community or on VRChat forums to attract buyers. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.